may I take the liberty to address to you the answer which we did not elaborate during the first interview last Saturday, yesterday. It is here, client Kishore provided emergency assistance. The most important training for work in the local disaster team. This training teaches you to interview and provide humanitarian assistance during the disaster. Disaster assessment basics. Understanding the importance of the rate, disaster management, and how to properly rate disaster damage. About distribution operations, how to safely set up, operate, and support bulk distribution during a disaster. Logistics activities review. Discussion of facilities, transportation, procurement, warehouse supply, and invoice. In this chapter, it will also involve security and safety. And if we talk to security and safety, maybe I can rate any point of view because I am an investigator, criminal investigator, the VIP protection investigator, property investigator, arson investigator, and other investigation that may occur in any criminal activities or in force majeure occurrence. Force majeure occurrence is like earthquake, arson made by human. That is a wide different investigation. To continue, psychological first aid, addressing issues related to psychological stress and support of disaster strategy. Collaborating to ensure effective service, delivery, and emergency operations. ERB, ready, set role, and basic code safety training. This is really everyone's favorite disaster assignment. Yes, this is true. Basic code safety training. Because if you have no knowledge of basic code safety training, you can eat the chemical that comes into the foods that you are eating. You will be also a victim of the disaster. Emergency response vehicle to support the disaster relief operation and the basics of feeding safety. There are other requirements to being a fully qualified RV driver. Yes, we have a well-trained driver that may be assigned to any disaster to drive a vehicle, and he has a wide knowledge on know-how to pack the vehicle which he is driving. And he knows that a vehicle that assigned to a disaster or calamities shall be guarded. Shall be guarded because if your vehicle is unattended, you will be victimized by other bad elements, persons, and your gasoline tank may be drained. And if you will continue driving, your fuel is not already functioning because empty gasoline tank. That is a well-trained driver. Kaya, this work, providing emergency assistance. The most important training to work on the disaster tape. The training teaches you to interview the client, provide all of this. Maybe there are something from this. Our group, the 205 Signal Battalion,